This video will help you to show inequalities as number lines. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. This functionality is only available on the FX83 and 85 CW. We will use the examples here on the far right. From the home screen, choose the MathBox app and then number line. You can create up to 3 number lines labelled A, B and C. Let's create the first number line by choosing A. The calculator can display number lines in any of the formats here in the yellow box. Be very careful that you read your inequality correctly and choose the correct type. Our first line is x is less than 3, so choose the first option. A is the value that x will be less than, so enter 3. Confirm with OK or the execute key. To display the line for x is less than 3, scroll to Execute and Confirm. The calculator displays the number line. Note that there is an open circle above the number 3, which indicates that this is a strict inequality. That is, it does not include the value 3. Now let's enter the second inequality, x is greater than or equal to -1. Press back and scroll to number line B. The inequality type we require is not displayed on the calculator screen, so scroll down using page scroll for further options. Choose x is greater than or equal to A and enter -1 for the value. Try to use negation for negative numbers. Confirm and execute as before. The calculator displays both number lines with the first one, x is less than 3, highlighted. Scroll down to the lower number line, which is the one we have just entered. The display confirms that we are looking at x is greater than or equal to -1. Notice that the circle is filled, which indicates that this is an inclusive inequality. That is, it includes the value -1. We can also show the inequality that satisfies both inequality A and inequality B. This will be the double inequality C here on the right. As before, press back and choose line C. Scroll down one page and choose the inequality we require, which is the third option. Remember to check the type of inequality carefully. This time we have to enter 2 values, A and B. The value for A is -1 and the value for B is 3. Confirm as before. And now execute. The calculator displays the 3 number lines. Scroll down to inequality C. The circle for -1 is filled and the circle for 3 is open as required. We can see that the line that joins the 2 circles is also common to inequality A and inequality B. So inequality C satisfies both inequalities A and B. You can also change the values and types of inequality. Press back to return to the inequality choice screen. In the final example, x is less than 4 for the first inequality, so choose inequality A and edit. Change the value to 4 and confirm. For inequality B, the type of inequality has changed, so choose it and then define new. The inequality is now a strict inequality, x is greater than -1, so scroll down and choose that type. Enter the value -1 and confirm. As inequalities A and B have changed, let's delete inequality C. To do this, press the delete key. Now choose Execute and the calculator displays the new number lines. I think that it's worth spending some time mastering how to use the number line feature. It will help you to understand inequalities and their representation on number lines.